Hi guys, my name is Pierre, also known as Visuals by Pierre, and today we are shooting with Canon's RF 85mm 1.2 L USM lens. This lens is ideal for portraiture and low light shooting. Today I have my good friend Jennifer with me as we're walking around New York City and test out Canon's new glass. One thing that I really enjoy about this lens is that it is dust and weather resistant, so that on a day like today, I feel confident I can go out and shoot and not worry about damaging my gear. As far as 85mm lenses are concerned, this one in particular is tack sharp at 1.2. It gives you beautiful out of focus areas. Usually shooting at 1.2, I'd be nervous about getting a few shots in focus, but due to the eye detection AF, I knew that it was locking in on Jennifer's eye and that every shot that I took was going to be perfect. So I really enjoyed shooting with the RF 85mm 1.2 lens today. Jennifer and I were able to walk around the city, take some beautiful portraits, and if you have any questions in regard to my experience with this lens, please leave a comment below. I want to give a big shout out to Canon for letting us use this lens, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.